Hey brewers, it's Friday. We got a quick little short one for you here today. If you've watched any of my previous videos, if you haven't, you fucked up. You really could learn something or learn what not to do, maybe, probably more likely. So I've been complaining about how when these kegs, these Oxebar kegs that I love so much, when they're empty, especially you got like right now, this won't even stand on its own because I've got my spunding valve on here, Kegland spunding valve. And people are like, put it in a pail, put it between this and that. If you got multiple kegs, make it a stand, you know, bowling, whatever. So, some of our local friends have 3D printed us some holders for the kegs as well as CO2 tanks. Our little SodaStream, we got one for just a SodaStream standalone, like this thing. That's going fucking nowhere, man. And this, it's like, it's nice and tight. We're gonna be selling these, so $17.99 for this guy, $45 for this guy. I know that's a little bit pricey, but this is rock solid, man. It is going nowhere. And if we actually sell a few, then we're gonna start mass producing them and then they'll get a little bit cheaper. So just to give an example today, we're going to just transfer my tomato paste lager from previous video. If you haven't watched that one, you fucked up, you gotta check that out. So this guy, it's full. It's gonna stand just fine by itself, but this guy's empty. And then we've got our mini 360 regulator and our SodaStream bottle. So let's get ready to transfer. First thing we're gonna do is remember which one is which here, I think. Okay, that's the wrong one. So we're gonna hook up our gas to this side. And we've already got our spunding valve set at a higher, so this is 12 PSI, the beer. We've got this set at, we're gonna go a little bit higher, 14 PSI, so we're not gonna get any foaming as we transfer. And we're ready to rock and roll. Let's hook her up. And then we're already going. A little bit higher, a little bit higher on this guy. And there you have it. Gotta love these things. This is a solution I've been looking for a while, and it's tight. Like you can even pick it up, doesn't even fall off. Same thing with this guy. It's not going anywhere. Really like these. If you're into the Oxebar kegs, this is a must-have accessory. And the only place in the world to get it is right here, grain to glass. And it's one of those things we can ship pretty much anywhere because it's plastic. We don't have to deal with any of those weird laws about shipping organic compounds. This is plastic. Everywhere loves plastic, especially the ocean, right?
How dare you?
No, I'm just kidding. Okay, we're gonna let this transfer. I don't know if you wanna watch that, but hit that like and subscribe. Have a sippy poo. As soon as we're done here, I'm definitely gonna have a sippy poo of this beer that tastes kind of like Red Eye. I'm gonna try it again. If you haven't seen that video, you should check it out. Let me know what you think. If I've just made an abomination or not. Like in that video, it's one of my earliest memories of boozing it up with my grandpa at 5 years old. We'll see you next week. Don't get too fucked up.